Welcome back to our channel, where we explore unique opportunities to boost your income and achieve financial independence. In today's video, we dive into the case of a 34-year-old woman who earns up to $167 per hour as a nanny for the super rich. We'll also share 3 brutally simple side hustles you can start now to supplement your income. Let's get started. In a recent interview with CNBC, Richards, 34, revealed that she makes up to $167 an hour for nannying for the ultra-wealthy parents. Among her clients, she counts successful entrepreneurs and billionaires who sometimes fly her out and put her up all around the world for a job. This gig is so lucrative that Richards only works about 6 months. The other half of her year, she spends acting in off-Broadway plays. She says she doesn't even need to spend so much of the year nannying to get by. "I can nanny for like 2 months at the top of the year and I'd be fine for the rest of the year," she told CNBC Make It. Side hustles are becoming more and more common. In fact, roughly 39% of American adults have at least one side gig. However, in today's economy, gig work isn't just for extra spending money. Most Americans report that they need cash to cover everyday living expenses. The best side hustles are often low-lift efforts but come with high rewards. With that in mind, here are the top 3 brutally simple side hustles to explore in 2023. Steps involved to make a successful business in this service. Step 1. Obtain the necessary certifications. Investing in your professional development and acquiring certifications such as CPR, first aid, and childcare courses will not only boost your skills, but also give you a competitive edge in the nanny market. Potential clients will appreciate your commitment to the safety and expertise in childcare. Step 2. Define your niche. Determining the age group or specific needs you feel most comfortable and skilled in handling. Some nannies specialize in infants while others excel with toddlers or school-age children. By narrowing down your target niche, you can tailor your services and marketing strategies accordingly. Step 3. Establish your online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Creating a professional website or blog showcasing your qualifications, experience, and testimonials from satisfied clients. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn to reach a wider audience and connect with potential clients. Step 4. Network and collaborate. Building a strong network within the childcare community is invaluable. Attend local parenting groups, childcare events, and industry conferences to meet fellow nannies, parents, and professionals in the field. Collaborating with other childcare providers or agencies can lead to referrals and increased visibility for your business. Step 5. Offer extra services. To stand out from the competition, consider offering additional services that cater to the specific needs of your client. This could include meal preparation, tutoring, transportation, or organizing playdates and activities. Providing value-added services will not only attract more clients, but also increase your earning potential. Step 6. Build trust and maintain relationships. As a nanny, establishing trust with both parents and children are vital skills that you must have. Demonstrate professionalism, reliability, and genuine care for the children you work. Communicate openly and honestly with parents, providing regular updates on the child's progress. Another 3 hustles which I will share to supplement your income. Side hustle number 1 is freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing, consider offering your skill as a freelance writer. Websites, blogs, and online publications are constantly in need of quality content. Build your portfolio, showcase your expertise, and pitch your services to potential clients. This flexible side hustle allows you to work on your own terms and earn extra income. Side hustle 2, virtual assisting. With the rise of remote work, virtual assisting has become a popular side hustle. Utilize your organizational and administrative skills to assist busy professionals with tasks such as email management, scheduling, research, and social media management. You can find clients through online platforms, social media groups, or by reaching out to entrepreneurs directly. Step 3. Online tutoring. If you have an expertise in a particular subject, consider becoming an online tutor. Platforms like tutor.com or VIP Kid offer opportunities to teach students worldwide. Set your own schedule, choose your own subjects, and help students achieve their academic goals. This side hustle allows you to share your knowledge and earn a substantial income from the comfort of your own home. If you want more information on the case and side hustle, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We're here to support you on your journey to financial success. Until next time, stay motivated and embrace the possibilities of a prosperous future.